everyone, welcome or welcome back to Urvalues. Hope you're well today. This morning I decided to go for a nice calm meditation with the windows open and my plants. You can see on the side, if you've read Urvalues, you know the plants are really amazing for the house if you can. Today, a meditation before my yoga session that I will film also, I will explain to you. So I just wanted to explain to you a concept of meditation, how it saved my life, literally. Meditation is just being, basically, your pure self, just sitting down, not polluted by any music, by any thoughts, just accepting everything around you, no movement, just being. Now, meditation is just a question of alignment. Many people think, oh, meditation, I don't need to do meditation because I don't need to relax. Well, it's not really relaxing meditation. We all need these moments every day, at least 5 or 10 minutes if you really can, morning or evening around 6:30, or anytime during the day if you have time, but yeah, whatever you want. Meditation is just about being. Now, when you breathe and you sit down, you're going to put your flesh, generally legs crossed or on the knees. Just feel the way you feel good. You don't feel any tensions. In the beginning, it might be difficult. You can't cross your legs. Well, you just repeat meditation and you will be able. I wasn't capable of doing that before. So you sit down and you feel yourself grounded. Put your flesh on the side. And what you want to feel here is that when you breathe, you feel the alignment that goes from bottom to top, like a string of energy. It's just your energy, your body energy. Now, when you're blocked, your chakras are blocked, energy chakras. I'm going to do a video on chakras. You might feel heart chakra, shortness of breath. Now, this is because it's blocked, and mine was blocked. I was feeling that, and so energy wasn't flowing, and so I needed to feed my body energy and feel this flow. So I was seeking this energy elsewhere with drugs, alcohol, eating a lot, and when it unblocked, my hips unblocked, sometimes it can hurt. But it's beautiful when you free yourself. It's just amazing, all this energy that flows. And so, yeah, you want to feel this alignment, and by breathing, your soul and your body are going to reconnect in the present moment, and you're going to feel in your body. Oh, the neighbors are here, great. You're going to feel it anchored in your body, and therefore you're going to feel self-confidence. You're going to feel energized, self-confidence, and then by that you're going to feel relaxed and happy and at peace in your life. And it's just being and reconnecting with yourself, and we all need these moments. So what you want to feel is this energy alignment, and when you breathe you want to keep your shoulders down. So try and put your hands up, putting your shoulders down, and feel this breathing from your diaphragm, not and stomach, not here. Here, opening here and in the back. And what you want to feel is your long neck, like a string. You feel the energy going up to your head while breathing. And you're going to feel this connection. And by doing that, you're going to see, you're going to have many thoughts when you meditate. We all have thoughts. And the key is not resisting. It's acceptance, 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 acceptance. Second value. Accept your thoughts. Accept everything that's around you. Accept your emotions. That's good to have emotions, good or bad emotions, because that means you're alive. So be grateful, just be here and accept everything. And by accepting everything, you see that your thoughts are just going to pass by. If you focus on blocking your thoughts, you're going to grab on your thoughts and they're going to stay here and try to attack you even more. Just let everything go. And you're going to see you're just going to be in the moment. And the more and more you do it, the more it's going to be easy. So that was a little video about meditation. See you soon for the yoga video and many more. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact me and participate to my classes, conferences, or check out my social media. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful sunny day. Namaste. Bye. See you soon.